I am Dr. Waples, founder and medical director of Restore Medical Spa, and today we're talking a little bit about anti-aging care and aesthetics. So have you ever heard someone say, you can tell a woman's age by her neck, or you can tell a woman's age by looking at her hands? I know I hear that all the time. And largely it's true. And there's a reason why it's true. A lot of us invest a great deal of time and energy in maintaining the skin of our face. We put on sunscreen, we use these beautiful medical grade products in our retin-A's, we have procedures done like microneedling and IPLs, things that are going to keep the skin on our face looking youthful and healthy and glowing, and that's a wonderful thing. But frequently, we forget that that's not the only skin that's visible. People can also see the skin on our necks. They can see the skin in our décolleté, and depending on what kind of top we're wearing, or the skin on our forearms or on our hands. And if there's a discrepancy between those two areas, yeah, you can tell a woman's age by her neck. So something to keep in mind, all of the procedures and the tools and the products we use to maintain the health of the skin in our face can also be used everywhere else on the body that we choose. So whether that's an IPL laser to take away brown spots and sun damage, or microneedling or PRP to take away fine lines and wrinkles, or even the medical grade products like the alpha hydroxy acids, the retin-A's that we use, all of those things can be used on the neck and chest, forearms, hands, anywhere where you may have damage to the skin. So next time you come in for a treatment for your face, consider bringing it down and using it and having it done on your neck or chest or hands as well. Because what you really don't want is for someone to say, her face looks fabulous, but I can see her age in her neck. Avoid that. Remember to get those treatments down.